That's Possible Theater of Michael A. Riffle Catholic High School welcome you to a fun-filled, compassionate musical starring an amazing cast and crew. Honk is a musical adaptation of the Hans Christian Andersen story The Ugly Duckling, incorporating a message of tolerance. The book and lyrics are by Anthony Drew and George Stiles of the British songwriting duo Stiles and Drew. The musical is set in the countryside and features Ugly, who is rejected by everyone but Ida, his mother, a sly tomcat who only befriends him out of hunger, and several other barnyard characters. Our production of Honk dates back to last year, when arts ed consultant Sophie Anitzis and our drama director, Jacqueline Kilkenny, got together to discuss the possibility of putting on Honk at Riffle High School. Auditions were held in the fall of 2012, and the cast has been rehearsing since November. Each actor would be given a certain part and a mentor to assist them. The students are very proud of their work and very happy to share it with you tonight. On behalf of the cast and crew, we thank you for your support by attending tonight. Please ensure your cell phones are turned off through the performance. Now sit back and enjoy Michael A. Riffle Catholic High School's production of Honk.